आज का भारत वैश्विक आर्थिक शक्ति और समुद्री शक्ति दोनों के रूप में उभर रहा है, जो शांति, सतत विकास और प्रगति के प्रति प्रतिबद्ध है। गोवा के मोरमुगाओ बंदरगाह में 3 मेगावाट सौर ऊर्जा संयंत्र, 2 हार्बर मोबाइल क्रेन और कोयला हैंडलिंग के लिए कवर डोम के वाणिज्यिक परिचालन का उद्घाटन करते हुए उपराष्ट्रपति जगदीप धनखड़ ने ये बातें कही। उन्होंने कहा कि जिन परियोजनाओं को राष्ट्र को समर्पित किया गया है, वे भारत की बदलती छवि को परिभाषित करते हैं।
It is a matter of great pride for me to be at Mormugao Port, one of the oldest, most strategic maritime gateway and amongst nation's top 10 in the state of Goa, nation's top 10. Mormugao Port embodies India's maritime legacy dating back to Indus Valley civilization and reminds us of something very unique for which Goa and Goans can take pride, Goans' seafaring traditions. These traditions are envy of the world and a great attraction to the tourists.
भारतीय तटरक्षक बल की सेवा और समर्पण की प्रशंसा करते हुए उपराष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि मैंने तटरक्षक बल की निष्ठा, प्रदर्शन और समर्पण को करीब से देखा है।
And now today is a special occasion for me. For 3 years as Governor of State of West Bengal, Shantanu Thakur will bear me out. A state that is prone to cyclones, super cyclones. I saw the dedication, performance and commitment of Coast Guard. I have come here to salute your courage and conviction. I was witness to your unwavering resolve as maritime sentinels. You are doing a wonderful job. Dear Coast Guards, I know your life is not easy. You face daunting challenges in difficult situations. The risks are many, but your commitment and dedication to duty ensures in times of crisis there is no mortality on high seas. In West Bengal we had 0 mortality on high seas. And cyclones were very severe thanks to your tribe, your uniform. And then recognition sometimes comes late. Sometimes it doesn't come. But the love the communities have along the seashore for you is remarkable. I have seen myself. You have made a big difference in the lives of people who live alongside our seashores. The nation salutes you.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की सराहना करते हुए उपराष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि अब आतंकवाद बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा।
Friends, Indian Coast Guard has critical role in the evolution of our blue economy. Blue economy has huge potential. It will contribute in times to come massively for our economy. It awaits tapping and exploitation. You are the guardians of it. A proud, grateful nation stands with you. And imagine when India responded remarkably, effectively to Pakistan's terrorist misadventure at Pahalgam on April 22. You were on high alert alongside our Navy. And your brethren in uniform in other services. What a precise targeting of Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba bases in Muridke and Bahawalpur sent a global message, a message that Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave to the entire world from the heartland of Bihar. Message: terrorism will no longer go unpunished. The punishment was exemplary. The strike was deep in the territory. beyond international border, keeping in mind our ethos to target only terrorists. What a satisfaction for everyone. High achievement of Sindoor operation. No one is asking for proof because the terrorist targeted revealed the proof to the entire global fraternity because coffins were escorted by military force of that country, by political force of that country, and by terrorists. A great achievement, perhaps unrivaled in the annals of democratic functioning.
भारत के बढ़ते वैश्विक आर्थिक प्रभाव का जिक्र करते हुए उपराष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि हमारे समुद्र आज हमारे लिए पहले से कहीं अधिक महत्वपूर्ण है।
Our Bharat today rises as both global economic force and maritime power, committed to peace, sustainability and development. We are already world's fourth largest economy and emerging in Indo-Pacific sector, a leader in our own right. I can't state more than what is felt by Indian Coast Guard. Our oceans matter to us now more than ever before. They really matter to us for economy, for security, for sustaining our trade.
विकास और प्रगति के लिए शांति अनिवार्य शर्त बताते हुए उपराष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि आर्थिक विकास युद्ध जैसे हालातों में नहीं हो सकता।
And therefore our aim is to be a Viksit nation, Viksit Bharat 2047. This requires 8-fold increase in per capita income. This calls for peace on our frontiers. Economic development cannot take place if we have war-like situations. Peace is fundamental to growth and development. Peace comes from strength in security, strength in economy, strength in development, and deep commitment, unflinching commitment, unqualified commitment to nationalism. I have reiterated on a number of occasions, I reiterate here. National security demands unshakable, unflinching commitment to nationalism and relentless preparedness.
उपराष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि भारत की समुद्री सुरक्षा लचीली, सक्रिय और भविष्य के लिए तैयार होनी चाहिए।
In rapidly shifting geopolitical realities, where global trade, strategic choke points, cyber threats, and transnational crimes intersect, enforcing rules-based order at sea is increasingly challenging. It is becoming very important that rules-based order on sea prevails, but securing it is no less a challenge. India's maritime security must be resilient, proactive, and future-ready. We are already on that path. Your growing capacities, capabilities, modernization in surveillance systems, enhanced air-sea coordination, and interoperability are commendable steps forward.